name's Gillian Holt and I'm a third year PhD student at the University of Central Lancashire. My research is about young people who live in a coastal town with significant deprivation in the north of England and how this relates to their experiences of belonging and loneliness. In recent years, there has been an increased focus on research examining the various health, social and economic inequalities in coastal areas. High levels of deprivation due to long-standing challenges in local economies and employment are a significant factor in poor health outcomes. Mental health problems are similarly higher in coastal communities. For example, the rates of self-harming in 10 to 24-year-olds are higher when compared to inland areas. However, there is limited knowledge of how living in these areas, which can also be stigmatised in both national and local contexts, how this impacts young people's experiences of loneliness. And this PhD research seeks to address this gap. The study adopts a participatory approach and uses creative methods with young people to explore the research themes. In addition to this, young people are involved with the thematic analysis of data, as well as dissemination activities, such as the presentation of a community photography exhibition of their photo voice work. So far, the themes emerging from the data show contrasts between the different aspects of living in a coastal area, which has both unique benefits and challenges. For example, young people have spoken of the mental and physical health benefits of the landscape itself, yet these are juxtaposed with both the financial hardship and lack of opportunities that many of them experience. And for some, this can create a sense of disconnect to their community and subsequently loneliness. Also, young people could relate the importance of place in the shaping of their identities. For some, the stigma associated with hailing from this particular town was felt strongly and created a feeling of shame and loneliness due to the fact that they see it as being a significant part of who they are. Yet for other young people, the strength of community rootedness, which was expressed due to generations of family living there, creates a bond of place and community and enhances a sense of belonging. Finally, when speaking about what is important for reducing loneliness in young people, the theme of inclusivity for whoever you are is important. Many young people felt that inclusive attitudes and behaviours are restricted in parts of their community and believe that greater acceptance could help them to feel less lonely where they live. And this can be illustrated by one of the quotes from a young person who spoke to me, who said, "Places like the youth group make me feel like I am wanted somewhere. It keeps me going. I can open up to these people when I want to, which takes everything off my shoulders, and I feel so much better." In summary, this research will build on existing knowledge of loneliness in young people through adopting a place-based perspective, using methods which draw creatively on a participatory approach. And this is at a time where there is a considerable focus in both loneliness research in young people and also coastal community research. So therefore, it will potentially be able to contribute to current policies, practice and research. The PhD is due to be completed in 2023. Thank you very much for listening.